All right, so tell me about these ones here that you have planted. Make a walk towards them.
Okay, so here we have planted pawpaws, and they are a native fruit, but these are cultivated varieties, so they have, they're grafted varieties. So they're different named varieties, and they have different rootstock and different scion wood. But they're planted on berm-and-swale. So
tell me what does berm and swale mean?
Okay, so a swale is kind of like a ditch, and then a berm is kind of like a little mound. So we did it on contour with the soil. So we found the level part of the land and dug a ditch along that. So when it rains and water is coming downhill, it will go into the swale and kind of hold there for a little bit and percolate down into the soil.
So where is the swale then?
So the swale is this part filled with wood chips. So it's not a huge swale.
Yeah, okay.
But it's enough to slow things down. And this goes down towards our stream. And this is like a really steep part near the stream. So this will...
Yeah. Yes, I do need you to come with me. Thank you for asking.
It will slow the water down.
Okay, so the swale is the ditch and the berm is the mound.
Yes, and we're going to plant the berm with the trees, and we'll do some cover cropping to keep the soil in place also.
Okay.
So right now there's just pawpaws. We're also planting chestnuts in the berms and swales.
Okay. Here in this area?
Yes, the chestnuts are larger, so they have to be every 50 feet. They're 50 feet apart.
Okay.
And so there's basically 2 pawpaws between every chestnut tree, because pawpaws are understory trees, so they can handle a little bit of shade.
Okay.
You'll find them here near Rainbow Lake in the woods there.
Okay.
Luis showed us on the trails one year.
So wait, is it the chestnut or the pecans that are coming from Georgia?
The pecans are coming from Georgia.
Okay, so you haven't planted those yet. Do you have the chestnuts?
We don't have the chestnuts yet either.
Okay.
So the different nurseries have different shipping times.
Yeah, but these are pawpaws that you have already in, right? Okay, and then you'll plant the chestnuts in these big spaces between them?
Exactly.
Okay. Nice. Okay, great.
Because we needed to have enough places for all the trees. And
so there's more on the other side
of
where
the sheep are?
There's more
on the other side, more pawpaws, and then there's also going to be...
Is there a stream over there as well?
There is a small stream over there in the woods.
Okay.
It sometimes is like a trickle in the summer. But
okay. Is it going to be more chestnut and pawpaw, or do you have something else going in over there?
Definitely more chestnut. Most of our pawpaws up on top of the hill.
Okay.
Besides these 2. And we'll be planting aronia berry, which we already have some aronia berry.
What is aronia berry? What do you do
It's
with
also known as chokeberry because it's very astringent.
Yeah, okay.
So people make jams and jellies or
we planted that
drinks
in our
and
yard
things
too.
with them.
Yeah.
So
we planted it for the birds, but yeah.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And,
nice.
And then also June berries, which I don't believe we have any June berries growing yet.
Okay.
But it's a fruit that grows well around here, and it's more low key than say apples or cherries and things. So.
Interesting. So then, this is the question: how did you choose what to plant? Just which things to plant generally, not necessarily what, where. I assume that has to do with water needs and all that. But how did you decide which things to cultivate here on your farm?
Okay. I basically chose fruits and nuts that grow, that are easier to grow organically, that will require less. They would require less spraying,
pest management
because of pests. Right.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
And more native type things.
Yeah. Right. That was why we picked the chokeberry for our yard, and the pawpaw.
Right.
It's pretty cool. I've heard pawpaw is really tasty.
Yes. Yeah.
Have you had it?
We have. I've had it occasionally.
Okay.
It's one of those things you can find if you know what you're looking for, if you're out for a hike and get lucky, or you're starting to be able to find them in farmers markets, but it's not everywhere.
Yeah, right. And are these things that you will be in CSA shares, or that you'll be bringing with you to Gettysburg or farmers markets?
Yeah, it depends really on how much we get. It would be like an add-on at the CSA or at the farmers market.
Yeah, right. Okay.